Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Thinking about your financial future. A Roth IRA is an incredible tool for tax-free growth in retirement, offering unique benefits for your savings. And when it comes to investing that money wisely, Vanguard stands out as a top contender. They're well known for their low-cost, investor-focused approach, making them a popular choice for many. Combining a Roth IRA with Vanguard's investment philosophy could be a smart move for building long-term wealth. The main attraction of a Roth IRA is its incredible tax advantage. Your contributions are made with after-tax money, meaning every penny your investments earn inside the account grows completely tax-free. When you reach retirement and make qualified withdrawals, those are also entirely tax-free. It's truly powerful. Plus, a Roth offers flexibility, allowing you to withdraw your contributions, not earnings, at any time without penalty should you ever need to. Vanguard is a leader in low-cost investing, especially through their popular index funds and ETFs. Their philosophy centers on long-term growth and broad market diversification, rather than trying to beat the market. This approach can lead to lower fees over time, allowing more of your money to stay invested and grow. They offer a simple, effective way to invest, perfect for those seeking straightforward options without complex strategies. Setting up your Roth IRA at Vanguard is surprisingly straightforward. You can easily open an account online, then link your bank account to start funding it. Once your money is in, you'll choose what to invest in. Vanguard offers an extensive selection of low-cost index mutual funds and ETFs. For a truly hands-off approach, many people like their target-date retirement funds, which automatically adjust their asset allocation as you get closer to retirement. As you embark on your Roth IRA journey with Vanguard, remember that consistency is truly key. Making regular contributions, even small ones, can lead to significant growth over time thanks to compounding. While it's wise to periodically review your investments, avoid the temptation to make frequent changes based on market fluctuations. Starting early, staying disciplined, and letting your money work for you is the most effective path to a secure financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.